Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fit Kia Sportage side steps. First, gather your tools, such as a socket wrench set, a torque wrench, and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure your Kia Sportage is parked on a flat, stable surface for safety. Always review the specific instructions provided with your side steps, as designs can vary slightly. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient installation process, saving you time and effort. Next, identify the pre-drilled mounting points along the underside of your Kia Sportage chassis, often near the rocker panels. You might need to remove small grommets or stickers to reveal these threaded holes. Carefully align the mounting brackets with these points and insert the supplied bolts and washers. For now, just hand tighten everything. This allows you some flexibility to adjust the brackets slightly, ensuring a perfect fit. With the brackets firmly in place, it's time to position the side steps themselves. Carefully lift each side step and align its mounting holes with the corresponding holes on the brackets you just installed. Insert the remaining bolts and washers, again, only hand tightening them for now. This step ensures the side steps are properly seated and allows for any final adjustments to their position before you secure them completely. Now, using your torque wrench, tighten all M8 bolts to 22 Nm and M10 bolts to 42 Nm, as specified. This is crucial for safety and ensures the steps are securely fastened. Go back and double-check every single bolt to confirm it's tight. Finally, give the side steps a good shake to test their stability. Once you're confident, your new Kia Sportage side steps are ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.